Alright, so today there's no Pico going on. We just have, well, we are using the Pico, but we are just doing this purely purely through the serial monitor. There's absolutely no wiring involved, thankfully. So basically here, we're going to come back to these two functions right here, the isFloat and area, because we're going to go straight to the while true loop. And the while true loop, so the first thing that's printed is just giving the format for what should be inputted and asking the user to input all of their coordinates. And then what it does is it creates this variable called chords, short for coordinates. And it splits that input into a list, an array, whatever you want to call it, and separates them by the comma. And from there, it prints the result of the chords variable being put into the isFloat function. And when you put that into the isFloat function, we go back up here, and it checks the length of this list, of this array. And if it's less than 6, if they did not input enough, it gives an error. If it is not less than 6, it goes and it tries to see if all of the numbers in it are floats, if they're not like text or just anything that's not just a pure number. And it just checks if they're all floats, and if they are, it returns the coordinate pairs. If it's not, it's a little trick here. If one of these returns a value error, if it's not a number, will return an error there. And then we go back down, so we print that, we print the coordinate pairs, and then we print the area of the triangle. Then we're doing the area function, and the area function basically it takes all the input values and it turns them into variables, and then it calculates the area using some Python's built-in math capabilities. If the area is less than or equal to 0, that can't be a triangle, and so it gives another error. But if the area is greater than 0, it is a triangle, and we return the area is the area of the triangle. And so it seems complicated, but really it's just a bunch of checks that if you do it right, you get your coordinate pairs in your area. If you do it wrong, you get some errors.
We'll get it figured out.
Thank you.